Startup Podcast PH is co-produced by Credit Hero, Y Spaces, Tuwala, Simp, Secuna, Schooltech by Edfolio, Maroon Studios, and Compare Loans. Check out our partners in the description.
Welcome sa isa na namang episode ng Startup Podcast PH, Kwentuhan at Philippine Startup Week 2025. Andito pa rin tayo, Day 2, sa Mount Canloon Room of the Philippine Innovation Center dito sa Marikina City. At ang ating kakwentuhan from Iloilo, ay ang My Tutor. Hello, sir.
Hi, good afternoon.
Kamusta?
Doing great.
And bumiyahe kayo, sir, no, from Iloilo.
Yeah, all the way from...
and ngayon, may booth kayo sa baba, right? Second floor?
Second floor.
Yeah. Tapos, actually, si My Tutor ay, shout out kay Sir Josh. Lagi ko na nakakausap si Sir Josh, na-interview ko nga when I went to Iloilo this March. Pero parang madami ng updates since March till November now. And sa kwentuhan nga natin kanina, 2 years ka na rin pala sa My Tutor. So maybe siguro pakwento ano ba yung experience mo kay My Tutor and ano pa yung mga ginagawa nyo now. But siguro pa-refresh lang ang ating audience sa mga may hindi pa alam kay My Tutor. So ano nga ba, sir, ang My Tutor?
Yeah. Ako nga pala, si Andrew. So, the executive officer of My Tutor. So, currently representing here in Startup Week, Philippine Startup Week. Kasi si Josh, currently nasa Iloilo, nasa business. And, My Tutor is tech-enabled special education learning hub, which handles children with special needs, like ADHD, autism, and many others. So, yeah, but mainly with those cases. So,
ang ganda na. Ngayon ko lang na parang pwede title yun ng ating podcast, Tech-Enabled Special Education Learning Hub. So, tama ba? So, as far as I know, meron kasi kayong mga hub sa Iloilo. 2 na ata. Tama ba? Or 3 na ba?
3 na.
3 na, yan. Nung nagpunta ako doon, 2 pa lang So, ngayon 3 na.
Ngayon 3 na.
May mga parang, ang kwento nga ni Josh, parang mga homey vibe siya. Medyo bahay. Kasi your clientele or your customers, or well, basically, the people you help are people with special needs, So medyo homey vibe, pero may tech-enabled part din dito. So ano nga ba yung parang concept ni My Tutor? Ano exactly siya?
So si My Tutor kasi is yung learning hub, yung center namin is yung difference niya from the other hubs is a parent can hear what's happening inside and even take a sneak peek inside, because the partition between the lobby and the session room is just a curtain. So parents actually have the full awareness what's going on, what's happening inside of the session room, and they can even hear if the child is laughing, dancing, crying, all sorts of whatever a child could express of him or herself.
Still filling out loan applications for your business? Yeah, thought so. Save your time. Grow your business. With Credit Hero, one online application gets you loan offers from multiple lenders. Apply for a business loan now. Visit credithero.com.
Ang mga, one-on-one ba itong mga parang, or pwedeng group yung tutoring dito sa, kasi I believe this is tutor so parang after classes or parang siyang special classes or lessons for the children, right? And or this one-on-one ba or group ba ito?
These are sessions for children with special needs. So, doing one-on-one. There's a one-on-one sessions, and then nasa process din yung tinatawag natin yung circle time, which would allow them to do the socialization,
interaction,
yung parang group na so pero still ang pag-manage ng child is one-on-one. So let's say for example, pag may social part siya kasi ng session yung socialization, one-on-one pa rin. So it's just that pag dalawang learner, dalawa din ang specialist natin.
Ang naalala ko lang dito na sabi ni Josh, the founder, dati, was parang ang vision is for My Tutor to be the Kumon, the brand Kumon. Para siyang sikat na tutoring class, tutorial center, but for children with special needs.
Yes.
So sana parami po kang parami ang mga MyTutor learning hubs. Ayun. So, siguro, Sir Andrew, no, right? Bakwento lang, no? So, you were with MyTutor since 2 years ago. So, kamusta? Why did you join a startup na parang, as a startup, medyo hindi yan stable eh. So, and kamusta yung experience, yung journey in this startup in MyTutor?
Quite terrifying. The uncertainty, regardless you are in a startup or not, regardless what sort of company or what sort of organizations that you are involved in, even to the traditional company or corporate company that you are affiliated with or under or whatever, still terrifying din siya. yung tipong ibang level lang. Ibang level lang siya. Kasi nga anytime this time talaga kapag bumagsak, involved ka eh.
Yeah.
Pag bumagsak ang kumpanya, ikaw yung sa mga magiging ang tawag natin dito, you will be responsible. Because unlikely na employee ka lang, tatanggap ka ng
Yes.
tatanggap ka ng sahod, and then you can just complain to your employer, sana yung sahod ko, sana yung 13-month pay ko. But as a startup entrepreneur, it takes a lot of faith. A lot of gray areas. Ganun.
Yeah,
The journey is
wavy.
wavy. Hindi siya talaga wavy. Yung tipong parang storm surge, yung alon, sobrang taas ng alon na kailangan mo talagang haharapin. Hindi mo alam na tataob ba yung barko o ano.
Yeah, but this is, first of all, startups are not just for founders kasi startups also employ also have like a team, so but you still face the same adventure as a startup, maybe even if you're like not the main founder, so ikaw nga ba, Sir Andrew, as the executive admin, right? So ano exactly yung ginagawa mo sa startup? Operations ba talaga nung mga...
In terms of operations, I do not mainly engage with the operations unless there's a professional need for our staff, especially on the teaching staff. For me on my side, I mainly work on the back end. So that's it. Organizational
okay.
Organizational administrative tasks.
So parang manager din ba ito somehow? Manager nung mga hubs and even ng mga tao, nung mga tutors?
It's a mixed up.
Okay. Do you also feel like you're a founder or like
ano ba? Kasi pag ang understanding of founder is you are the one who started it, but unlikely kasi meron tayong sa startup company, there's this who really started it, and there's this who are just being invited to join. Ako yung invited.
Okay. Pero parang
nakialam lang.
Pero no? I mean, when you were invited, how small pa lang, parang, I believe, nag-grow na si MyTutor since then eh. So, smaller pa lang yung team nun, right? Are you like one of the first team members then?
Ano yun eh, may operation na sila.
Okay.
May operation na. And, the very unique, live kasi ito, hindi ko siya ang tawag dito, hindi ko masisiraan ng, hindi, biro lang. I cannot talk behind about Josh. No, it's kidding aside.
Idol yan si Sir Josh.
Kidding aside, the uniqueness of our how we met, how Josh and I met actually is, we've started with ministry out.
Oo nga, pastor pala.
Community outreach.
Pastor nga pala si Sir.
Pastor siya. And I'm a missionary. So,
okay.
we've started with values alignment. So, the invitation for me to join MyTutor actually is because we have this cause.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I believe the cause is related. Kasi, tama eh. Sir Josh, well, people could have done tutoring for, non-special needs, no? But this is somehow attached din sa cause na helping those who need to be helped, right?
Yep.
So I think itong paggawa ng company, ng institution, ng mga physical spaces is also attached talaga sa advocacy and sa cause, sa
Tama.
values, kumbaga.
Mm,
And
tama.
yun ba ang dahilan kaya ka na-attract mo to join the company?
Talaga.
Okay.
Kung meron mang tinatawag natin na good scam, ito yon. Na baga nadali ako doon sa this is a ministry, especially if we're gonna be talking about a family, if we're gonna be talking about relationship between a parent and a child. Yeah, makukuha mo ako doon.
Pero these are jobs that are good, no? Kasi values align sa'yo. And syempre, may sweldo ka pa rin naman. So, and kumbaga, and it's a startup journey too. So, you actually get all, or what can I say ba?
I don't know.
Anyway.
I don't know if I can, well, siguro I'll put this way. Nung nagkita kami, di ba we've agreed to work on the ministry, on the mission, before this my tutor. So, nagdesisyon kami to work together in a mission. Ang nangyari nun kasi I have to go back to really what I have been called to by God. Yun nga, divine direction, an intervention. Here comes the impression to me to, hey, you're not really fulfilling what I have called you, or yung tinawag kita para maging ganito, you're not fulfilling. Though the luxury of life is there, meron kang ganito, magandang trabaho mo, gandang sweldo, but lifeless and meaningless living, and then getting off track, mahirap pala. Yung okay naman, makikita mo material lahat will provided, at saka kumbaga tangible siya, mahahawakan mo ang gusto mo, pero you are leading to nowhere. So I have to resign, I have to leave everything. Parang talagang tinatawag natin na 0-0 nangyari yun sa buhay ko, and that was 2 years ago before Josh and I met. So sabi ko, I'll go back to what I have, or what God had called me to. So the purpose. And then ayun, nag-met kami. Wala akong income, wala akong lahat. Sabi niya, sige, ministry tayo, sige. Because faith is something that we are not just na ma-explain lang. No? It has to be experienced. So, yun nga. I have to live the purpose. Hindi mo siya makikita ang future mo. Faith is, you don't need to see your future, because you are giving yourself, surrendering to someone who holds the future.
startup na.
So ganun yon. We started in there, values alignment, and then nag-agree kami to work on the ministry without support in anything from anyone, and then here comes a few months after, sabi niya, join this, because we are doing in the ministry, we proved our partnership in the ministry, so why not join me in this journey, entrepreneurial. Although I have already experienced on entrepreneurial before, it's actually a painful experience for me, because I've founded several companies and organizations before, and it failed. Having partners with some friends, and hindi siya nag-successful. And ayun nga, I believe those are the learnings. Siguro, hindi siya siguro eh. And I really believe na yun yung nagiging preparation ng Panginoon for me to to be here.
To be here in my
To
tutor.
be here.
Parang
naging naging part siya ng journey ko in order for me na magiging ma-reach ko yung ito na talaga, no? Or there might be possibilities may idadagdag pa Panginoon in the future.
Trust the digital future with Twala. Secure and tamper-proof digital signature. Electronic notarization service. And custom AI agents for intelligent document workflows. Visit twala.io to learn more. In today's digital world, your organization needs more than just technology. It needs a strategic partner. At Symph, we build web and mobile apps that drive innovation for startups, enterprises, and organizations worldwide. Visit symph.co today.
Protect your assets from bugs before bad hackers exploit them. And launch your products seamlessly with Secuna, your trusted partner in cybersecurity. Receive reports in real time and work with security experts to find bugs in your products before others do. Let's make your security our priority.
And I also saw pala na mayroong bagong product si My Tutor,
yes.
Maybe you can introduce din sa amin yung ano nga ba yung name?
Second.
Sige, can you introduce maybe to our listeners, ano nga ba itong Second? So, My Tutor, so start niya, basically tutorial center or hubs na homey vibes for children with special needs, special education, and then now there's a new product, si Second. So, ano nga ba si Second?
Yeah, Second. Ito kasi, My Tutor is the company, right? And My Tutor as a special education learning hub, within the operation internally, out of the operations na mga sa araw-araw sa daily na mga processes, doon na lumabas si Second. Second as a journaling app.
Journal. Okay.
Ika nga, walang sinumang tao ang nagturo or tinuruan kung paano magiging isang magulang. 'Di ba? So if we can actually observe, no, mostly or lahat ng mga solusyon na ginagawa natin, nakafocus lang lahat sa sector ng kabataan, youth, learners, students, and we forget na kapag umuwi na yung mga kabataan na to sa bahay nila, yung mga kabataan na to, yung talagang mas nagdadala ng burden, yung carrying the load, the burden, are the parents, right? So, out of this, we will be able to understand why Second is there. It's a journaling app wherein a parents can...
As for the parents.
Yeah, for the parents. It's a journaling app where the parents can have able to put in the profile of their children. It's mainly to be used by the parents
To guide them on how to maybe like handle or educate their children, tama ba? Ganun ba? Or para saan siya for the parents?
Okay. The usage of the app is parents can use the app and start journaling their child as young as 2 years old up until 18 years old. Alongside with professionals like teachers, therapists, all the practitioners.
Para mas maintindihan din ng mga...
But the full control of the child's profile will be upon the parents. So, what will happen is, let's say for example, a situation. As a parent, let's say for example, sa umaga, iiwan mo yung anak mo sa paaralan. And then, ikaw papasok ka sa trabaho. Pagtapos mo ng trabaho, kukunin mo na yung anak mo sa paaralan. Hindi naman araw-araw gagawin mo, kakausapin mo yung teacher, ano nangyari sa anak ko ngayon, ano yung progress niya. Imagine, sa isang classroom, let's say, yung pinakamalaki na ma-handle ng isang teacher is 20, no? Although, mas malaki pa doon talaga yung reality. Let's say 20 lang, babaan natin ng 20. Imagine kung lahat ng 20 parents yan, araw-araw, bawat after every class. Tatanong sa iyo niyan. But, on the convenience of the platform, wherein a professional will put in that records to the platform, wherein a parent, anytime, anywhere, he or she can access it and review. No. And then the platform actually provides an ability for the parents to understand their child.
oo. I believe through AI yan, no? Nakita ko pala may AI yan. Oo. Pero para pala siyang somehow, analogo sa medical records ng mga doctors. Parang records din to ng personality, ng behavior, ng learning journey nung bata, nung tao, na pwede nang ma-access ng parents to better see talaga the status of their children, and for therapists, for other people, even the tutors, no, para mas maintindihan
Even the
records,
teachers.
even the teachers nga yung mga these children, right?
Yes.
Oh, interesting.
Interest. Yeah. You've mentioned the AI simulation. Yeah. It's part of the feature, not the entirety of the
Okay,
platform. It's a feature wherein it would process the entirety of the inputs, all the database, and then will create the same exact character and behavior of a child that will mimic the child.
So natututo din si Secon as an app as more records are being put there. So parang data rin siya na
Yeah.
na pwede i-analyze ni Secon, ni app, and then magagamit din pabalik dun sa
Basically. Yeah.
okay, this is good. And I believe this is parang, correct me if I'm wrong, part of sa DOS, diba, or something. I think my tutor recently got funding. Are you
Currently, we're bootstrapping.
okay.
But we were able to, we're thankful for the national government agencies, both DICT Region 6 and the DOST Region 6, that we were able to take advantage of the program. Sa DICT, yung Step Up, and as well as sa DOST, yung mga TBIs.
Yeah. Oo. Part ang my tutor sa isa Quadra TBI.
Yes.
Shout out kina Sir Rayjan out there.
Under the UMWAD Consortium.
Yeah.
And
Sige, last two questions. So you mentioned kanina na you also have like an entrepreneurial journey, somehow failed. So maybe you can share lang what are the lessons that you've learned in your entrepreneurial journey from then and up to now dito kay my tutor.
yung learning.
So like maybe what advice can you give to people out there? What's the best piece of advice?
The best
Or
piece
maybe
of advice.
the greatest learning you have realized along the way?
Siguro parang hindi mo siya paano ko nga ba ipapasok sa isang container lang? Hirap siya ipasok sa isang container lang eh. Ito na-learn ko to kay Josh as a partner in business. Wala ka namang ibang gagawin kasi hindi naman lahat alam mo eh. So just show up in everything. Just show up in everything.
Right. And you showed up dito sa podcast. No?
Show up. Yeah. But the most important thing is this. As you show up, you bring that values in you. For us, our value is to have that keep the faith in God. Siguro yung nag-sustain, hindi yung talagang what we have learned, but keeping ourselves grounded in faith. No, everything is shattered and lahat na. But this one, wala ka naman eh. Pinanganak tayong walang-wala sa mundong ito. Maliban na lang kapag anak ka ng hari, di ba? may mamanahin ka. Well, walang-wala. Saan pa ba tayo tatakbo? Di ba? Yun lang yun.
Okay. What's the vision for my tutor? Ano nga bang vision that you see pa moving forward? With Josh, the founder.
We are looking forward that this actually my tutor will not just create an impact, will leave a footprint sa history natin. that every special needs family will not be neglected, no, and at saka will surely get their support that they need, especially the parents.
Okay. Sige, last question. What is startup success for you?
Success is subjective kasi yun. Depende sa paano mo siya i-define.
And maybe
success, maybe we can say it will progress. Ngayon, ma-achieve nyo to. Later, another goal na naman. So, startup success is paano nga ba?
And I think kasi this is a very values aligned startup.
Yes.
Baka related din as long as kumbaga natatahak yung path na aligned dun sa values maybe, or helping. I guess helping people, helping special needs children. So
it's about the kind of success. I would put this way: startup success. It's the time siguro na mag-ask ka na what's next. Kasi natapos mo na eh. What's next?
That's very refreshing. Oh, yun na, Lali.
What's next? Hindi naman natatapos eh. Siguro matatapos na lang yung lahat-lahat kung patay na tayo. Di ba?
But habang buhay, what's next?
Meron talagang progression eh. All the more na hindi natin ma-acknowledge yung progress while we were living. Mas nakakatakot yung sinasabi natin, okay na to. Enough na to. Ako na bahala. And but because of this idea of progression, of growth, of innovation, yun yung innovative, yun yung innovation, yun yung innovative. It doesn't stop at one goal, no? It progress, it evolves, it rise. So tuloy-tuloy yan habang buhay. Matatapos ng pagpatay.
Pero ang ganda ng answer, to be honest. Wow, I really like. So it really shows na mission ko ba sa moving finish line, na moving goal, and habang buhay nga gawa ng mga milestones and ng impact kumbaga sa lipunan.
Education is evolving, and so are we. Introducing School Tech by Edfolio, your all-in-one school management solution. Built for schools of all sizes, School Tech bridges the gap between school and learning management. Driven by passion, School Tech makes educational technology accessible, affordable, and easy to use for schools everywhere. With an integrated approach, School Tech simplifies management across different departments and enhances efficiency in operations. School Tech transforms the way schools manage, teach, and learn. School Tech, taking school management solutions to the next level.
Running a business? Make it smarter with Red Circle Global. Streamline operations, boost productivity, and manage everything in one powerful ERP system. Book your free business demo today at redcircleglobal.com, guided by one of our top experts.
Ayun, sige, thank you so much, Sir Andrew, sa ating maikling kwentuhan. So, thank you very much. And baka meron tayong listeners na interested kay My Tutor, so maybe meron bang Facebook page or website, so how can they connect with you?
Yeah, again, this is Andrew. Just search on Facebook, My Tutor, MY, no space, MYTUTOR. And also, shout out to Josh. Josh and Teacher Dinah, who's really hardworking entrepreneurs. iniwan ko sila doon. Pero ang totoo, akong yung tinapon dito ni Josh. Kasalanan mo to.
Ikaw lang mag-isa sir ang nag-fly papunta dito sa Manila for my tutor. Ikaw lang mag-isa.
Ako lang mag-isa. So, sabi niya, brother, meron Philippine Startup Week sa Marikina. Sabi ko, okay. Ikaw yung pupunta. Ako lang? So, kasalanan mo to, bakit ako nandito. But anyway, thank you so much for the opportunity. And of course, thank you for the people who had made it possible for us to be here, especially the DICT Region 6. And with the concern, of course, and opportunity given to us, pushed by Ma'am Vanessa. And together with Ma'am Joanna, who are with us today. And also, shout out guys, lahat ng dyan sa Iloilo. Shout out sa tanan nga mga Ilonggo dira. Kita liwat. And yeah, that's all.
Ay, si Sir Josh pala nag-comment.
Ay, patay.
Ayan, kita tayo ni Sir Josh. Nice. Sabi ni Sir Josh, ayan, nice. Pa-shout out. Yeah, shout out Sir Josh. Hindi, favorite guest ni Sir Josh. Grabe. Thank you Sir John.
Patay ako nito. Kung mamaya magsasabi, ano na naman yung pinagsasabi mo doon?
Gets naman niya. Pero shout out Sir Josh. Grabe. Balik ako Iloilo next time. And pag yun nga bala kayo makapag-podcast sa My Tutor Hub mismo. Next time, natin yan.
We'll look forward to that.
Ayun. Sige, ayun. Thank you so much, Sir Josh. And thank you, Sir Andy. Ayun. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much to our 64 patrons. This episode is super powered by AskLex PH Academy, our official e-learning partner. Get certifications on Lean Six Sigma, project management, data science, and more. Architect Space Solutions. Architect provides ground station services, space data analytics, and technology supplies while partnering with government, academia, and industry to grow the Philippines' role in the global space ecosystem. DVCO Technologies Incorporated. IT Solutions specializing in software development, blockchain smart contracts, digital wallets, and cybersecurity. NutriCoach. Personalized nutrition and weight loss programs for you. Argum AI. Make smarter decisions by presenting both sides of an issue as argued by two distinct AI models. Pixel by ePlayment. Turn content into opportunity, grow deeper connections, and earn more. Only with Pixel. Sign up at pixel.eplayment.co. School of Profits. Filipino community for aspiring freelancers, VAs, agency builders, and online earners. Built to help you start, grow, and earn online together. Founders Launchpad, our ecosystem partner, early stage accelerator providing venture capital funding, operational support, and mentorship. Hire Business Solutions, provider the most configurable cloud-based payroll system in the Philippines. Agile Data Solutions, the Philippines' fastest growing market insights tech company with its data gathering platform, HustlePH. SmileChecks, streamlined hiring and onboarding with automated background checks. Cloud CFO, cloud accounting service provider for business ready to grow. Cloverly, all-in-one digital platform for property developers. Body Beaties, accessible and personalized diabetes self-management application. HKB Digital Services, tech-based business tools including payroll, ticketing, and loyalty rewards. Hyperstocks, digital banking enabler for rural and thrift banks. One CFO, CFO services, bookkeeping and tax, payroll processing for startups and small businesses. Wonderbrand, data science-driven brand strategy and design for emerging markets. This episode is powered by Jossie AI, Uplift Code Comp, Board Prep, Kansan Barley, East Point Business Outsourcing Services, Filipina Home-Based Moms, Hex Colony, Jur.ph, Big Giant Games, Pahatid PH, Sugbodok, Algacon Aquafeeds Juan Alj, Grey Wolf Technologies Philippines, Pareto Consulting, Sirius MD. Support the podcast through the links in the description.